If you regularly refuel at Indian Oil fuel stations, the HDFC Indian Oil Credit Card is a smart way to save. It offers 5% fuel points on Indian Oil fuel purchases when swiped at POS terminals. In the first 6 months, you can earn up to 250 points per month and then 150 points per month. You also get 5% points on grocery and utility bill payments and 1 point per 150 rupees on other spends including UPI with limits. These points can be redeemed through the Indian Oil Extra Rewards program, where each point is worth 0.96 rupees, giving you the best value. With consistent use, you could save up to 50 liters of fuel every year. There is also a 1% fuel surcharge waiver, and the annual fee of 500 rupees plus GST is waived if you spend 50,000 rupees in a year. However, avoid using it for international transactions due to a 3.5% forex markup fee. Final verdict. For anyone who fuels up often at Indian Oil, this card offers excellent savings and value. It's one of the best fuel credit cards in the market right now, but do your own research in a good way. Thank you.